Hello everyone. Due to COVID-19 this academic year 2020-21, some of the topics has reduced. From first we will start with the 8th standard maths portion here. What the topics has reduced? Lessons has not reduced. Only some topic from the lesson has reduced. We will see now. The first chapter we are having as playing with numbers. In this chapter, playing with numbers, what the syllabus is reduced, it is nothing but writing and understanding 2 and 3 digit numbers in generalized form and engaging with various puzzles and games. This has reduced. Why this has reduced? Because it can be given as a home activity. Now the second lesson, which is rational numbers. For rational numbers, insert rational numbers between two rational numbers. This point has reduced, which is in your textbook on page number 32. And the same topic, why it has reduced? Because it's going to be covered in 9th standard. That is, in your next class you are going to study this. Now the third chapter, linear equations. In linear equations, again, what it has reduced? Solving simple linear equations. The simple equations that has reduced. Why? Again, because it can be given as a home assignment. That's why it has reduced. Then understanding quadrilaterals. Your fourth chapter. In this, it has not reduced anything. All the things you have to study, only the number of periods has reduced. And what the activities are, that can be given as home assignment. Full chapter you have to study, understanding quadrilaterals. After this, fifth chapter name is squares and square roots. In this chapter, squares and square roots, one topic it has reduced, which is estimating square roots. Estimating square roots, which is on page number 87 in the textbook. That one point has reduced. Why? Because it does not affect your further studies. That one point it has reduced in squares and square roots. Then sixth lesson is your algebraic expressions and identities. In this also there is no change. In the fourth lesson also there was no change. Here in sixth lesson also there is no change. All the things you have to study what is there in the lesson. Now we will go for the seventh chapter. What the seventh chapter name is? Practical geometry. In this chapter, constructions, some of the constructions has reduced. What are the constructions you will see here? When the 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and the 2 adjacent sides and the 3 angles are given, and the properties of parallelogram. These 3 points are reduced, which is in your textbook from page number 112 to 116. That is your 7th chapter. From the 7th chapter practical geometry, 3 points has been reduced. Now lesson number 8. In lesson number 8 again, there is no change. Cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots, whole lesson you have to read. There is no change in the portion. 9th lesson is exponents and powers. In this chapter also no change. Full lesson you have to study. The 10th lesson is data handling. In data handling you have to skip probability. Why probability? Because already in 7th standard you had studied probability, and in the next class 9th standard also you have to read probability. And for probability it is in the part 2 textbook page number 35. Then 11th, lesson number 11 is direct and inverse proportion. In direct and inverse proportion, again no changes. Whole chapter you have to study. Then lesson number 12, introduction to graphs. No change in content. आपका content same है, only the number of periods are reduced. It is same. Nothing has changed on that. Some problems can be given as the home assignment. Then 13th lesson is factorization, and in factorization also there is no change. Everything you have to study. Lesson number 14, visualizing solid shape. In visualizing solid shape, representing 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional, it has reduced because it can be given as the homework. Only this one point it has reduced, representing 3D and 2D shapes. 15th lesson is comparing quantities. In that chapter again, problems involving percentage, profit and loss, it has removed because it is already covered in 7th standard. In 7th already had studied, that's why this has removed now. The last it is mensuration. In mensuration, there is no change in content. Everything you have to study. Only the number of periods has reduced. Some questions can be given as activities as your homework. Hope this all content is clear for you all. Everything you have to study. Only some of the topics what already you had studied, or you may are studying in 9th standard, only that topic has reduced. Remaining all the 16 chapters you have to study. Wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.